Your home is more than just an address. It holds your dreams and helps protect what matters most. Your roof is more than just a shingle. It's advanced science for performance and beauty designed to last. Like our patented SureNail technology that's in every Duration Series shingle we make. And Owens Corning is more than just a trusted name. We're a market leader in roofing products. Our systems look great, are long-lasting, and offer more choices to perfectly fit your project. The Owens Corning Total Protection Roofing System is designed to seal by creating a waterproof barrier, defend with a tough yet beautiful layer to help protect against nature's elements, and breathe to optimize airflow in your attic. And an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor isn't just another contractor. They're a part of an exclusive group of top roofers, each of whom meet our strict eligibility requirements. When your roof is properly installed, you can be confident that you're making a lasting investment in your home. Choose the right contractor, plus the right products. Because at Owens Corning we know it's more than just a roof.
Hi, I'm Greg Tittle.
And I'm Carrie Tittle, owners of Tittle Brothers Construction, and we're proud to be an Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred Contractor. We know that your home is important to you, and installing a new roof is a big investment. So why should you trust us?
We've been in business since 2004. We have experienced professional roofing crews who are knowledgeable about the best products and how to install them. We believe our job isn't finished until you, the customer, is happy.
From the day we come out to provide a free estimate until after your beautiful new roof is installed, we want to be sure that your experience is hassle-free with as little disruption to your daily life as possible. Installing a new roof is more than just nailing down a shingle, and we hope that you can trust us to do the job right.